afraid of a thunderstorm, are you? You just stay here with me. Where are the others? They're asleep there. Wait for me! Oh no? Look, come on. Now all we have to do is wait for the boys. You won't see them. Boys are brave. You boys aren't frightened too, are you? Oh no, we just want to make sure you weren't. Is your idea, Friedrich? Oh no, I was hurt. Why does it do that? Well, the lightning says something. Thunder into the back. I wish you wouldn't answer so loud. Maybe if we all sing loud enough, we wouldn't hear the thunder. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies with crisp apples strudel, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles. Sleigh geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes